Good morning, everyone, or afternoon, or evening. Buenas noches. And so you want to become a jeweler, like Blacks. Well, that's not easy to do. First, there's many years of college at Harvard in the jewelry department. That alone is over $500,000 just for 5 years of study to become a master jeweler, as Black says here. But this, if you're going to do it yourself, you might want one of these. Look at these bezels. Silver and gold, silver and gold. You remember Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer? He wanted to be a dentist. But silver and gold. See, this is the silver bezel. Only 40 millimeters will fit in here. If you have a challenge coin, you just do it like that. And it's a blank, so you put it in here. And there it is. That's all there is to it. Well, you'll have to decide for yourself, but it has to be 40 millimeters. Anything less or anything more will not fit it. Believe me, I'm the one that knows. Sometimes some of them will fit it, but it'll be hard to do, and most of them won't. So like a Bitcoin will fit it. That's 40 millimeters, and other challenge coins is too. So you might want this the blank to try it yourself. So here it is on Blacks. We have it for you, so that you can try it yourself. It's too. And please do sing along. Silver and gold, silver and gold. See what a great singer I am, you know? Better than Sinatra, I'd say. Or Belafonte. Silver and gold, silver and gold. Okay, everyone, thank you.